I know that time is of value, okay? I hate wasting my time, and I'm not gonna waste your time either. But if you wanna improve the profits to the bottom line of your company, you wanna get a good, great attaboy or whatever, or if you wanna improve not having expenses on your private collection of diesel vehicles, you can go through and read these individually. You can spend hours studying these, okay? Raycor and Parker. Forgot who the first one was from. This one's from Caterpillar. This one's from Raycor, Parker also. Another one talking about air and fuel from Caterpillar, and why your filter's not full when you take it off or changing, and where that excess of air comes from. That Caterpillar talks at least 10% air and fuel. This one from Cummins talks about why it's greater than 10%. But you can spend hours and hours and hours, or you could go to our summary. That summarizes all that to why air destroys your fuel injection system, why it destroys your performance, your fuel economy, the life of your EGR, the life of your DPF, and also how we remove 99.96% of the water. Okay, that helps in the process of removing air with electric heaters. No one can touch us in extreme cold weather operations, especially extreme cold weather starts. So if you want to take a little bit of time and you're going to improve your bottom line, here you go. Everything in here is founded off of physics, backed up by all those documents that I threw down, and more to come.